In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a song using Donna AI. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your app, and then you want to go to the bottom left where it says Create, okay? When you tap on that, at the top, you can see three different options, and you have three ways of actually creating your songs. The first one is a song description, where you basically have to describe the song, and then you can select mood, stuff like that, and of course, you can create a song that way. The second one, if you tap on lyrics, you can just enter in your lyrics, select mood, and stuff like that again, and then you'll be able to of course create your song out of your lyrics. And then you also have the image of the song, where you can basically just turn your photos into music. Okay, so here you can just upload an image, describe the song if you want to, which is optional, and then you'll be able to create a song from your images. So let's just start with this song description over here. Now the process is going to be very similar, doesn't matter whatever you do, but of course still I'm going to show you how to do this. Now here it says describe the song, and it says describe the music and topic you want. So for example, this could be like make a chill song for my biggest regret. I could do like make a love song, or maybe make a song for my best friend or my schoolmate or whatever. I'm just gonna tap on get inspired over here, and as you can see, it's saying an upbeat song about adopting my first pet, a playful puppy with a mischievous streak. Okay, now over here I'm just going to select the mood, and I'm going to do happy at the bottom, and then select the genre. What I'm actually going to do here, I'm going to select blues. Okay, of course you could scroll towards the right hand side, and it's going to give you a bunch of different genres you can use. And then there's also advanced options where you can name your song. So I'm going to name this one First Pet, okay? And then of course you can do a vocal if you wanna, or you can just make it instrumental like that. You can select your vocal gender, so the singer, if it should be male or female or random, you can select this. I actually want it to be random over here, and then recording can be studio or live like a concert. Okay, again, you can check all this, and whenever you've done that, simply tap on the generate or create with description at the bottom, and it's going to create your song. Now the second way, as I showed you, is the lyrics. You want to tap on lyrics, and in here you can go ahead and just type in your verses, your lyrics. If you like have a song maybe you're written down or something, you could also use any other AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, or whatever to generate you some lyrics for your song. You can paste those in here, and then again you can select your mood, and then you can select your genre again, and then you have the advanced options at the bottom as well. And just like previously, you can just tap on create with lyrics at the bottom, and your song will be created. Now with image of the song, you can just tap on here to upload your image, and for better context, you can just basically describe your song. So for example, let's say you're putting in a photo of your pet, and you're just basically going to describe the song as make a photo of my pet and how much I appreciate him. So let's say that's kind of the topic you go for. Then at the bottom, again, you have the mood. There's a bunch of different moods you can use, genre, and then advanced options. Tap on create, and your song will be created inside Donna AI within just a few seconds or minutes. So that's essentially how to create songs. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.